Shit, chillin' with my nigga Loco. Yo, girl, she rock my logo. Shit, she hopping on my dick just like a pogo. They like this shit real quick or in slow-mo, but I don't really care cause I'm chillin' in a snow globe. Shit, that know you know this nigga cold, and this nigga always hot, so you know this nigga though. Yeah, I'm blowed. Shit, I'm so cold that I'm froze. Chillin' with my nigga Love, and he cold and that's cold shit.
Big gun, nigga wanna fight. Touch my chain, nigga, catch frostbite. And I ain't never been no rookie, you can bet that. 870, take your cookie, where your chest at? And I'ma hold it down like a fucking staple. Got bad yellow bone that comb my skin tones in the stable. You can bet a nigga keeping it gutter. Fuck him and push him and shove him, so I keep me a rubber. I ain't never loved shit unless it's the money. If they ain't talking about that, then the game is funny. Line them up one-on-one, maybe then you will see that the lizard man, the hottest nigga in the APT. Fuck with who for what fucking reason? My niggas with me, we declare kill season. Y'all ain't breathing, not this evening. Gecko with butt shots and they ain't never grieving.
Yeah, and he said he never greeted. You niggas still fucking babies, I can tell you still teething. And then they hate for no reason. Well, like Gecko said, my niggas, it's time for killing season. That's why they call me Killer C. I've been a G, been doing this since day 1, planning this shit since day 3. What the fuck you know about me? Nothing, so don't push my button or I blow out the brains up on the wall.
You ahead of your time, and I'm feeling like I'm blind. Raw chalk, blew it down. Nigga, hold it down, gripping the Mac 11. You fuck around disrespecting your body, gon' catch 7. Super Zuzi soaker, nigga. Yeah, it's like a water gun. Your body get hit, and I turn your head around for fun. I got my nigga Love, I got Killer C. I got binoculars out, but they ain't even seeing me. The record coming soon. I got my nigga Loon, and he can't never forget. I got Buster too. So if it ever came down to me or you, I hit you in your face and knock you out your fucking shoes.
Alright, now that's my nigga Loon. I'm guaranteed my nigga fucking goon. Shit, he gon' ride for the nigga. And if these niggas disrespect, we slide up on them niggas. We roll up on the nigga for hating and disrespecting. These niggas hating on me, but they know I'm still checking. Shit, hit they body with the ticking. These niggas hating on me, but I'm microphone wrecking and checking, disrespecting. These niggas I'm still neglecting. And you just know this nigga fresh, been the best, last name Cross, see it up on my chest, you can see the rest, don't put me to the test, I will shoot through your flesh and kill the rest, yeah you know this nigga real, always gonna keep it trill, nigga what's the deal, I'm cool like some new sneakers, hating on me bumping down the street in my speakers.
Lizard man pull up with Lamborghini dough. I'm a pimp nigga, so you know I'm getting told. Better hope it ain't your girl on love, yo. One night stand and I'm leaning like a kickstand. Purple stuff in my cup, nigga, now the fucking man. Hi-ya, kick your head like Jackie Chan. Them niggas ain't fucking with me, better get a plan. I'm on the motherfucking iPhone. You don't want none, cause the lizard show up at your house with chrome gun. Fuck your dope, ain't where your house at. You can get this pistol put right where your mouth at. Lean back, nigga, don't stop. Pop out the lack like Jack in the Box. And that's Uzi spraying. Nigga, I ain't playing. You can bet a nigga ready for whatever. Nobody do it better. Grab a chop off the dresser. And if they got a problem with me, tell them come molest them. Lizard man off in this beat like Uncle Fester.
My nigga said can't nobody do it better. You know we in the game chasing the cheese, that's the cheddar. Shit, I see your girlfriend, I make her wetter. Like Gecko said, we don't know nobody better. Shit, I rip the beat up just like a shredder. I'm going straight at your head like a header. And that's at the top of the page.